just arrived at Casey and Marnie's. The team are already here, so we're going to go around, take a look at the job and get started. Everything's now cut in place, all finished. We're just going to get all the gym equipment back in the right positions, and then we're going to do a big reveal for Marnie and Casey.
Better than what I ever thought.
I know, how long have you wanted this for?
Oh my god, unreal. I'm so glad I went with the pink. Do you like the pink?
No, I actually really do like it.
We got rid of that rubber for you.
Yeah, what did
all
you
gone.
think? No, it won't get dirty either, Marnie.
Oh, this is amazing.
How fresh, man. Oh my god.
How did you lift all the equipment?
That's why we brought Kai with us.
Yeah, it looks so
I thought the pink was for Casey, no?
Yeah.
Listen, the boss, I've got to let her do what she wants.
Now I'm going to feel like a girl walking in here.
Yeah, you have me though.
New playroom.
Do you like it? I just want to say a massive thank you to Garage Estelle and honestly you've absolutely killed it.
Absolutely killed it. They've done a lot of work for me in the past, and I'll continue to always use them because.
Yeah, and I recommend them to anyone
yeah.
because I mean it's just top quality service and I absolutely love them.
I think guys smashed it. So thank you so much, guys. Killed it.
Guys, thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We've got lots more content coming, including more from Jake Pauls, and we'll see you in another video soon.